To fix a Koorui monitor sound issue, several potential causes should be considered. Firstly, the volume may be low or on mute, resulting in no sound being emitted from the monitor. Checking the volume levels on both the monitor and the connected device, and adjusting them as necessary, can resolve this issue. Additionally, problems with the built-in speakers, such as damage, can also cause sound issues. In this case, connecting an external speaker or plugging in headphones to the device or monitor can provide a solution. Outdated audio drivers may also be the culprit, and updating them by visiting the official Koorui website to check for and install the latest drivers can resolve the problem. Furthermore, damaged cables can also mute the monitor sound, so it is essential to verify that the cords are correctly connected and functioning properly. If the cables are found to be damaged or worn out, repairing or replacing them is necessary. Testing the cables with another device can help determine their functionality, and if they are faulty, replacement is the best course of action. By considering and addressing these potential causes, the Koorui monitor sound issue can be effectively resolved.